So this is our ignition switch wiring, as you can see. So one wire has to come out, and this is going into the solenoid. So this is our main power into the ignition switch. And then this wire here is what goes up to the harness and into the X21 as our keyed power. So this is the first wire that we have in our harness. So this is going to start determining the overall layout. But for this, I need a 1/4 inch female terminal. And for this, I'm going to use these from iCrimp. That looks really good. And that is a nice crimp. And we're going to put these on the top 2 posts as I demonstrated earlier. So this is the beginning of our harness. Okay. That one's good. Now that we know our length. Seriously, these things are awesome. I will put my ground at the bottom. This really doesn't matter. Like that. And that is done. So now it's time to kind of work our way forward. As I start making the final terminations on this harness, I just want to remind all of you to take your time, go slow, and do one thing at a time. It's very easy to get overwhelmed with this, and even I have to take a ton of breaks throughout the build. I also want to reiterate that you do not need to do everything exactly like I'm doing. I try to do something different with each harness and push my skills, so just do what you feel comfortable with and use what wiring parts you have readily available. This video is to show you how I think through the process